Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use pub/sub. First, let's understand its core concept. Pub/sub, short for publish/subscribe, is a messaging pattern where senders of messages, called publishers, do not programmatically send messages directly to specific receivers, called subscribers. Instead, messages are broadcast to a topic, and any interested subscriber can receive them. This decouples services, improving scalability and reliability. Understanding the key components is crucial. A topic is a named resource to which publishers send messages. Subscribers create a subscription to a topic to receive messages. Each message consists of a data payload and optional attributes, which are key value pairs. This structure allows for flexible and efficient message routing and processing across various services. To publish a message, your application sends it to a designated topic. You can include a data payload, which is the actual content of your message, and also add custom attributes. These attributes are useful for filtering or routing messages on the subscriber side. Always ensure your publishing service has the necessary permissions to interact with the pub/sub topic. Subscribers can receive messages in two main ways: by pulling them from a subscription or by configuring a push subscription. Once a message is processed, it's important to acknowledge it to prevent redelivery. If a message fails to process, you can negatively acknowledge it, allowing it to be redelivered or sent to a dead letter topic for further investigation. This ensures robust message handling.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.